Welcome back to our next podcast on cue card making. Turn on auto caption for better experience.
In a quaint little village nestled amidst lush green fields, there stood a humble home that belonged to a family named the Guptas. Mr. Gupta, a carpenter by profession, and his wife, Mrs. Gupta, led a simple yet contented life. They took great pride in their home, a testament to Mr. Gupta's craftsmanship and love for woodworking. One sunny morning, as the birds chirped and the fragrant breeze gently caressed the village, disaster struck the Gupta household. A loud crash echoed through the corridors, followed by a heartbreaking silence. The delicate glass chandelier that had adorned their living room for years had come crashing down, shattering into countless pieces. As the Guptas rushed to the scene, their hearts sank. The chandelier, a cherished possession, held sentimental value. It was a wedding gift passed down from Mrs. Gupta's grandmother, a precious relic that symbolized their family's legacy. The Guptas stood amidst the wreckage, staring at the shattered fragments of glass, wondering if this beautiful piece could ever be restored. Mr. Gupta's eyes filled with determination as he gathered the broken pieces, mindful not to hurt himself. He carefully salvaged every shard, refusing to let despair consume him. As he examined the intricate patterns etched into the glass, an idea flickered in his mind. He knew just the person who possessed the skill to revive their beloved chandelier. His neighbor, Mr. Sharma, was renowned for his expertise in glasswork. He had inherited the artistry from his ancestors and was known as the master of mosaic. The Guptas approached him with a glimmer of hope in their eyes, explaining the situation and sharing their desire to restore the chandelier to its former glory. Mr. Sharma, touched by their plea, agreed to take on the challenge. He meticulously examined each broken piece, delicately cleaning them and arranging them like a jigsaw puzzle. With patience and precision, he began the arduous task of reassembling the shattered chandelier. Days turned into weeks as Mr. Sharma poured his heart and soul into the restoration project. His nimble fingers danced across the glass fragments, securing them with delicate soldering and bringing life back to the intricate patterns. The chandelier slowly emerged from its broken state, resplendent with renewed beauty. Finally, the day arrived when Mr. Sharma returned the restored chandelier to the Guptas. They could hardly believe their eyes. The delicate glass pieces sparkled under the warm glow of the sunlight that filtered through the windows. It was as if the chandelier had been reborn, radiating a sense of joy and harmony. The Guptas felt an overwhelming sense of gratitude towards Mr. Sharma. They embraced him, their eyes brimming with tears of joy. Through his remarkable craftsmanship, he had not only repaired their chandelier but also restored their faith in the power of resilience and the beauty of restoration. From that day forward, the chandelier stood as a symbol of their unwavering spirit and the strength of their bond. It served as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, beauty could be found, and broken things could be repaired. In the heart of the village, the Gupta home shone brightly, its restored chandelier becoming the talk of the town. People marveled at the tale of resilience and craftsmanship that breathed life back into an object that had been shattered. The Gupta's home became a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human heart and the power of love and determination. And so, amidst the gentle embrace of the village, the chandelier cast a warm and vibrant glow, illuminating not just the living room but also the hearts and souls of all who entered the Gupta's humble abode.
Thank you for listening to our education podcast. As we wrap up this episode, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude for all of our listeners. We hope that our podcast has been a valuable resource for you in your educational journey and that it has provided you with insights, inspiration, and knowledge that you can apply in your life, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next episode.